Welcome to day 8 of 100 days of automation. Today we are going to look at how to convert raw text of our business into useful data. So most businesses have user reviews, user queries, product info that you want to analyze, and tweets where it could be testimonials or feedback or just what's happening in the market, and you want to extract some information from it. Most of the time we just store this raw data into tables, and then all you can do is search on that raw data. But today we'll look at how to extract interesting information from that data, like nouns, verbs, places, organization, hashtags, emojis, and so on. So let's get started. We'll look at 3 automations today. So let's say the first automation is a Twitter testimonial. So I'll just copy my data here, and then I'll go to Crafter. So here I have a flow and it has just one block called analyze text. So this block is what will do the magic today. So I can come in here and paste my tweet, and then I can click on play. So once I do that, I get some data about that tweet. So I get nouns, verbs, and so on. So I can look at mentions, I can look at hashtags, I can look at the adverbs used, the adjectives, and the verbs, and also the nouns. So I'm basically able to dig deeper into just this text and get all of this keywords and tags to analyze later. Now let's look at the second automation. So I have all these reviews of a game. This is the game that I collected reviews for, and now for each of those reviews I just have this blank text. Now let's fill all of the data for each of these reviews. So I'll go to Crafter, and in this automation first we get the Airtable records, then we extract all the reviews, and then this is the block analyze list of text, which does the magic again, and then finally I add all of these records to Airtable. So I'll just click on play. Now if I go back to Airtable, you can see that for each of the reviews I got all of this data. So I can see Sony organization was mentioned at some point. I can also see some numbers, and then like for nouns I can extract it was a beautiful game. I can see packaging. So if I go to filter, so packaging would be a noun, and then I can search for packaging here. So I can see there are 3 reviews on packaging, and I can understand what they are talking about and what the problem could be. So the next automation that we look at is in Crafter. So here we have an automation where we extract a list of movies. So I give my movie names, and for each movie we'll extract the overviews. So here I can see the overview information, and then for each overview we'll fill this data using analyze list of text. So I will just click on play now. Awesome. So now if I come here, I can see all of my movies have now metadata attached to them, and we can come and analyze. So if I look at, let's say, adjectives, so we can see the adjectives that these animated movies have used: smelly, gorgeous, epic. We can also come in and see if we have something interesting in places. So we have China and New York, and the people in the movies. So Fiona was in Shrek, Toy Story had Andy. So we're able to see some interesting things happening by just like one block in our automation. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching.